Hey, it's Brent with Lahan Home Team and AXP.
And I'm Jennifer. And this is part of our new home construction video series. And in this video, we're going to take you to Crest, which is right here in Winter Park. And in fact, if you'd like to learn more about Winter Park, just click on the link above and you can learn about the area and what there is to do here.
Yeah, that's right. Crest is right here on Lake Howell. So you want to bring your canoe and maybe go fishing.
There's also a wonderful state-of-the-art clubhouse with an exercise room. There's a community pool, playground for the kids, and this is also a gated community.
Yeah, so come on with us and take this tour.
Crest is located in Winter Park, Florida, where you are just minutes from popular local dining, shopping, and top-rated schools. Here at this neighborhood, you will find a community clubhouse and a resort-style pool for your enjoyment.
Let's tour the Boca Grande model home. The Boca Grande is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home and starts at a base price of just over $490 in Hawks Crest. On the first floor, you will notice an openness that is quite welcoming and great for entertaining. The kitchen opens up nicely to the living room, and you have access to the patio from both the living room and dining room. Now let's head up to the second floor. There is an option to add a loft just off the stairs where you see the open space. The owner's suite also gives an option for a sitting room. The owner's bathroom is quite spacious too. Down the hall is a full bathroom and 3 additional bedrooms, all with decent-sized closets.
Now let's check out the Anastasia home model, which is a 4-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom, 2,582 square foot home with a starting price of a little over $500,000 in this particular neighborhood. The Anastasia offers a spacious floor plan with plenty of room and with an open feel to it. The owner's suite is just off the living room with a large bathroom that accompanies it. For the kitchen, you do have the option to install a gourmet kitchen, which this home model does feature. Just past the foyer, you will also find a flex room, which would make a great office. The second floor consists of 3 bedrooms as well as a loft. The second bedroom comes with its own bathroom. Bedrooms 3 and 4 are just down the hall and share their own full bathroom. There's a nice loft upstairs, but you also have the option to build on an extra game room with the open space that goes over the living room. Just more living space for you. If you'd like to learn more about the Orlando area, just download our Orlando Relocation Guide. Link is in the description. And if you're enjoying our videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, please feel free to call us.